In this video, I'm going to share with you what I do to prepare for my high energy content days. These habits and practices help me get in the right mindset, use my time efficiently, and of course, end up with a great quality, engaging content. My name is Veronika Edali. I'm a CEO of a modest activewear brand, Fifth Generation Apparel, a content creator and photographer. I've been through the trenches of entrepreneurship, and now I'm sharing my story. I'm here to empower and help you work towards your dreams. Whether that means becoming a successful entrepreneur, up-leveling your mindset, or creating impactful content online. I create educational and motivational videos full of practical advice for women who are ready to have more control over their lives and are looking to follow their true passion. If you're ready to learn, get inspired, then listen up, my friend. The other day, I posted this video where I shared with you what I get up to on my high energy days. And these are the days that I also call my filming days, where I need to do a lot of filming. A day like today. I batch my content, I get ready like this once a week, all of my video content out of the way so I can focus on other things in my business and content creation on other days. So this is not me all the time, this is me once a week. But in order for me to get those days in and make sure they are as successful as they can be, I need to prepare. And actually, this idea for this video was given to me by Sam. I actually interviewed her before on this channel. I'm gonna link her interview over here. But she left this comment under my Instagram post after she watched this video. She wanted to know what I do to prepare for my content days. And here I am, delivering the goods. So what is included in my high energy day? YouTube videos, TikTok videos, Reels, all of the video content I like to get out of the way in one day, potentially two. It depends on what needs to be created. Filming days require a lot of energy, period. That's why it's so important for me to make sure I'm in the right mindset. I'm 100% prepared, as prepared as I can possibly be to get that day in the can and say, yay, I did this. In that vlog that I just talked about earlier, I managed to get 7 YouTube videos in by the end of the day. So that was an amazing day, an amazing content day. Not every single content day goes like that. Like today, I had a bit of a setback. I actually filmed before I started filming this video, and I realized I filmed 2 YouTube videos with lipstick across my teeth. So that was a bit of a waste of time. So not every single day is smooth, but there are definitely things that you can do and that I do to make sure they are as smooth as can be. So without further ado, let's dive right into this video. If you want to learn more about what I do to prepare for my high energy days, make sure you leave me a thumbs up and tune in. First of all, I always have my content ready. When it comes to my YouTube videos, they are always scripted. They are either scripted almost word for word because I can always repurpose that written content as captions on my social media posts. Or I definitely have a solid outline so I know what key points I need to make, and then I just talk from the heart to emphasize them. And I know the topics that I want to talk about. When it comes to filming my TikToks, I have the ideas, I have the sounds, I have it all ready and laid out. If it's a more complicated video, I have a list of shorts before I start filming, so that I can stay on track. When you work with a script, when you're filming, it takes a lot less time for you to film it because you know what to say. It also helps you to allocate just enough time for you to get that video in, which works great with your schedule. And it also makes your job in post-production, in the editing process, a lot smoother because you won't have to deal with a lot of waffling around because you are staying on track and you're hitting all of your key points. If you're sitting down to talk about the topic and you don't have any sort of outline, you'll probably be talking on and on and on without actually delivering the message you intended to deliver. Another thing that I always do when it comes to my high energy content days is that I plan it out. I take my Google Calendar and I plan it out in 30-minute time increments or like 1 hour increments. I know exactly when I want to do what. Another example would be I want to film TikToks in the morning. I'm going to allocate an hour and a half for TikToks to get that out of the way. Then I'll do other things. And then I usually start filming when my oldest son goes for his nap. And I just pull out my portable studio and I get my YouTube videos in. So I will have all of that in my Google Calendar. So I know when I'm filming what. I know exactly what I'm filming. That means the exact video and the exact shots I need to get. I have it all there. That way I'm able to batch my content effectively. I can get everything I planned in the day done and just get more work done in less time. Isn't that great? And if you want to learn how to be super productive and get more work done in less time, I have a video for you. Make sure you check it out. I'll link it over here. Link it in the description below as well. Add it to your watch list. So the next thing that I always try to do is I rest up the night before. The night before I might cut my workday a little bit short so I can relax and decompress and, practice some self-care, get a good amount of sleep in as much as possible because my youngest is 5 months old and sleep is a luxury these days. But, that comes with the territory. It's okay. We're powering through anyway. But getting the rest you need is so important because the next day for your filming day, the day that requires a lot of energy, you want to be on your A game. You want to be in the best shape. You want to be energized. You want to feel refreshed so that you can give the best on-camera performance. Like I said, filming is very energy demanding, so you need to make sure you have the energy to give. Another thing that I always do, I visualize my day. I usually do it before I go to sleep. I run in my head how I want tomorrow to pan out. Visualization is a great technique that is proven to create the environment for success. When you visualize your successful high energy day and you feel so accomplished in your mind, you've managed to get everything in, it just gets you into the right mind frame. And when you wake up and you actually show up for that day, you are super focused and you won't get easily sidetracked or distracted. It will simply help you to get mentally prepared for the hard work you are just about to do, because filming is a lot of hard work. Also, once you visualize the day and then you show up and you get that day in, and if your vision of your day doesn't align with the reality, well, that's a great learning opportunity. You can see what worked, what didn't. You can see where you need to allocate more time or less time, or whether you need to reshuffle your day completely to make sure you make your visualization work for you next time. On to the next point. You need to make sure you start your big, high energy day, filming day, on the right foot. A busy day can be very stressful, exhausting, and overwhelming. So it's always important to take a step back and spend some time doing what you enjoy before you dive into filming. Starting your day with doing something that you love, like a cup of coffee for me and a full breakfast, yummy breakfast, enjoying some baby cuddles, that does it for me too. That way you set a positive tone for the rest of your day. So if you spend those first couple of hours of your day getting yourself into your happy place, then you'll just end up with the right energy levels, great mood, and can-do attitude to get all of those videos in. And that's what I do all the time to prepare to the high energy, very hard filming days. So if you like me and you don't enjoy putting your makeup on more than once a week and you prefer to batch your contents so you don't have to set up your filming gear every single day, then maybe this is for you. Maybe you just need to make sure you batch properly, you get yourself in the right mindset. And I have one more tip for you. So after you got all of those videos in the can, you've backed them up, it all worked out great, and you feel super accomplished, make sure you take some time off the next day to decompress and recharge your batteries. It's so important for you to take care of yourself after a big day of filming. If you don't, then that can lead to a lot of stress, overwhelm, and burnout. And burnout is not fun at all. I actually have an entire video about burnout and what you can do to prevent it as a busy content creator, entrepreneur, small business owner. I'm going to link it over here. I'm going to link it in the description below. Check it out. But when you are stressed out and overworked and exhausted, business owner, then your work will lag, because your business deserves you as a very good leader. And when you are not in the best shape of your life, then you will not be able to do that, and you will make mistakes in your business, and you'll make errors, and you might potentially lose time and money. So always make sure you look after yourself first. So for me, after a high energy day, I always have a low energy day. I'll probably take the whole half of the day off. I go to the park with my kids. I go, to the playground. I bake. I do stuff that relaxes me. I won't think about work for a little bit. And then after that, once my batteries are recharged, I can dive back into work and be super productive in the afternoon. But the thing is, if I didn't do that, I'd be very tired from the day before, and I wouldn't be able to accomplish any work because I would just continue to be tired and the quality of my work would suffer. So what's the point? Always take some time off after a hard, busy day at work. And remember, you are a business owner. You are a content creator. You are a freelancer. You are able to set your own hours, and you are able to plan your work around your life and not the other way around. So don't forget to use that power wisely. You can plan for it, and you can make sure you take care of yourself. All right? Promise? So if you found value in this video, make sure you leave me a thumbs up, comment below, let me know, share this video. And Sam, if this content was for you, if you found value in it, make sure you let me know as well. Anyways, guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel right here. And if you want to learn more from me, check out these videos over here. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you later.